lami ang hinagod. Tiga magmahay ka ng pa niyo.
Shut the fuck up! No problem, John. Shut the fuck up, you cunt!
My son so dumb, IQ 21. He tried to make friends, but they call him Ching Chong. He eat the wonton, but he felt like Kim Jong. He's so ugly when he smile, he look like the King Kong. My son useless, can't.
My dad knew he couldn't take it. Now it's 13. He picked up a stick, a wooden stick, and he went to hit me over the head, and I did this, and it broke. And then I took it out of his hand, threw it on the floor, kicked him in the leg, picked him up, and threw him on the coffee table. Coffee table broke in half. That's the beauty that we are actually super.
Left, right, left, right. Two more times, left.
My name is Yuvan.
How old are you?
I'm 4 years.
What is your name?
My name is Yuvan.
How old are you? How old are you?
Shut your fucking mouth!
Tú eres una
Yo no soy celosa, solamente cuido lo que mi...
Đừng có keo kiệt vậy mà, làm ơn cho mình mượn một lát thôi. Không bao giờ.
Không xem xét đủ quá.
Gummy, gummy, gummy.
Shut your fucking mouth!
Gummy bear.
We are here to defeat the enemy. We are not here to listen to you sizzling.
Hi guys, it's me, Yu.
500 cigarettes.
I'm making an emoji arc. 3. Her name is Emily the Queen of emojis, cats, and galaxies. And galaxies.
500 cigarettes.
And galaxy. She is a space or galaxy queen. Is her you're dead, haha. All the emoji cats wants to date her, but not the girls. All the emoji cat girls are jealous of her. She can kill bad emoji cats in 0.0000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000 That's it. Bye.
地震を感知すると、地震ベッドがあなたを収容する。すぐに周囲に壁ができる。安全な箱の形成。要塞化されたシェルターに身を隠すことだ。この構造は、
Hello. My name is Midnight. I'm a super cute cat. I'm SCTA. Species change to another. And if you don't support me, you're gonna have a bad time. I really like dark emo things.
500 cigarettes.
I guess you could say I'm not like other girls. And I'm super cute. But don't get on my dark side. DNI list soon.
هلا الله حيكم يا رويلات يلبيكم رفعي